Hey everyone, this is Scott over here at the Crypto Dojo. Well, it's going towards midnight, so I think like 11:30, 11:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I wanted to come on and do this video. I've been watching the markets, as I'm sure a lot of you have been, and we're really taking a tumble right now. The markets are really coming down. Ethereum is between 10 and 11% down for the day. Bitcoin's down. Right now, everything is going down. And what's the cause for this? Well, I think there's a lot of factors associated with this crash, if you want to call it, in the crypto space. A lot of it has to do with what's been going on pretty much all through 2022 with inflation. Some are saying hyperinflation, and there's a lot of macroeconomics that are going on right now, and there's a lot of fear going on within investors in the stock markets as well as crypto, and they're both kind of right now kind of joined a little bit at the hip. And the biggest thing that the a factor that I believe is causing this crash, there's a few things, but I think this is a big week. The Fed is going to be coming out and they're going to be determining if they're going to do 75 basis points or 100 basis points. And depending on what they come out and what they recommend or what they're going to do, we may see a slight drop and then a kind of a bounce back. If we do the 75 points, if it goes to the 100, then I foresee everything going down even more. I actually believe that Ethereum is going to drop under 1,000. I think that's quite possible if we don't receive good feedback from the Fed this next week. And there's what's happening with that is, we also have the Cardano, the Vassal hard fork, right, is coming up on the 22nd, and basically this week it's already been initiated, and so I think hopefully not that's going to get drowned out by what's been going on with the Fed and everything else. So, Bitcoin is dropping. Everything is really taking a tumble. This evening I'm actually just wanted to come on and do this quick video. But the good thing is what goes down must come up, everybody. So again, what I say is not financial advice. I'm never going to tell you to buy, sell, hold any crypto. Please do your own due diligence, and please make sure you do your own research. It's your money, and you got to determine what you want to do with it. With that said, what I'm doing is I'm watching. I'm more than likely not going to be buying anything else. I may increase my position with Cardano. I'm watching that closely, but I'm just going to be holding on what I have and just keeping an eye out and just kind of hodling it at this point, because the tricky part is when are we going to reach the low point? When's the bottom? And no one really knows. No, and if they do, then don't listen to them because they're lying to you. No one knows when the bottom of this is. We're just going to have to wait and see, and just kind of see what happens this week with the Fed. And I think also another reason that the markets are down is, with ETH, with their merge, which was monumental. It's never been done. Never in the history of the world has been a greater software update than the Ethereum merge from proof of work to proof of stake. Now, with that said, that's left hundreds of thousands of miners basically out of a job, because there's no need for them to be mining. Their mining equipment is basically useless unless they can repurpose it and try to mine other coins. Of course, they're not going to be. Some I think are going to be trying to do the the ETH Classic, I think it is, but and that's going to be like a proof of work version. So I just don't know. I think that's a big part of it, where it's like sell, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of a thing. And so, have faith, everyone. Do your own due diligence and make sure you're just keep an eye out on everything, and it's gonna come up. Don't worry, and But before I go, I'm going to give you a little kind of a bonus thing that you can do, a bonus strategy you can do. You can do a couple things. In my previous videos, I've said that you do have strategies. You have a choice. You don't have to watch your money just you know evaporate. You can give you a couple different strategies. You can sell off some of what you have and hold it for cash, right? But then you're running the risk of when that starts pumping, I think it's going to happen really fast. And if you're not paying attention, you will be taking a major loss, perhaps more than what you're taking right now. You could buy more. You could dollar cost average in more. If right now the whole markets are down. So it's not like a particular crypto project. Everything is down. So with that said, you have amazing projects that are down. Cardano right now is 44 cents a token. Gala Games, which both of them are in my portfolio, there's like 4 cents, like 4.21 cents or something like that. So you could invest more, or you can just hodl. You could just sit back and don't do anything and just zoom out, and you could do that. So you do have options. You do have things that you can do, strategies that you can employ. And, I felt like I wanted to come on and just reassure everyone it's going to be okay. This is tough now. It's it's a bear market. We got a lot of things have been happening. I mean, those of you who are new to crypto coming in 2022, you are earning your chops right now. Let me tell you what, because it's tough out there right now. But you know what? We're gonna get over it. It's gonna work itself out in time. Just take some deep breaths, zoom out, create a strategy, have a plan. You got to have a plan for a bull market and a bear market. In a bear market, this is the time to accumulate and to research. Okay, so when the bull market comes, then you're ready, you're prepped. But right now is a great opportunity to do your research, investigate cryptos that you're interested in, or sectors like the gaming sector is going to be huge. When we come into the bull run, this is just my belief, it's going to skyrocket. Web3 gaming is going to be it. So whenever we come out of this, could be, I think we're going to be still in this bear market. Again, this is just what I feel for the rest of this year, possibly into next. We'll just have to wait and see what goes on. But right now it's crazy out there. Right now it's a bloodbath, or it's a buying opportunity. Okay. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to try to head off to bed. I'm going to maybe stay up a little bit longer and keep an eye on the markets and see what's going on. But if you like any of our content, please feel free. And I would personally be forever grateful if you like our content, to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share these videos with your friends. I'm not normally coming from my wife's office, but everyone's in bed sleeping, and I'm up. So anyway, hey everyone, have a great rest of your evening. Don't worry, we're going to be okay. You do have choices. And if there's anything that I can do to help, or if there's any questions that you have, please feel free to drop in the comment section below. I appreciate you all, and literally here at the Crypto Dojo, crypto never sleeps.